Hello friends, vacancy hai. Wanted for Dubai and Saudi Arabia, direct client interview. CV shortlisting in progress at Mumbai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Welding foreman 3000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Fabrication foreman 3000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Structure fabricator 1800 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Mechanical project engineer. Negotiable. Fabrication supervisor negotiable. Safety officer, NEBOSH. 2500 Saudi Riyals. Safety officer Aramco approved 4700 Saudi Riyals. Heavy driver Saudi DL. 2050 Saudi Riyals. QC inspector, welding, piping, mechanical, structure, scaffolding, coating and painting, plumbing, HVAC, GCC Express or Aramco Express. 6500-8200 SA. QC manager Aramco Express. 15,000 Saudi Riyals. QC supervisor, welding, mechanical, piping Aramco Express. 14,000 Saudi Riyals. Workshop manager hydraulic, heavy equipment express. Negotiable. Hydraulic hose technician negotiable. Duct fabricator 1500 Saudi Riyals. Piping foreman 2000 Saudi Riyals. Pipe fabricator 1500 Saudi Riyals. Light driver Saudi D, L 1700 SA. Labor, 08 hours duty plus OT plus free food plus accommodation provided by company. Hello friends, vacancy hai. Above all candidates qualified in respective discipline and having relevant experience in similar industry need to apply. All candidates must have Gulf experience in oil and gas. Good written and oral communication skills in English. Planning manager, planning engineer, engineer project control, QC inspector, engineer. Quantity surveyor, QS, insulation. Insulation supervisor, HSE officers, oil and gas company, free recruitment to Qatar. CV shortlisting in progress at Mumbai. Hello friends, vacancy hai. Candidates qualified in respective discipline and having relevant experience in similar industry need to apply. Position, planning engineer 830 Omani Riyals. Mechanical engineer 830 Omani Riyals. Wanted for Oman, shutdown project. CV shortlisting in progress at Mumbai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Hello friends, vacancy hai. Desired candidate profile. Oil and gas experience must. 15 to 20 years experience for manager's position. Minimum 10 years experience for engineer position. PDO, Oxy, Aramco, ADNOC, Gulf experience with EPCC project preferred. Position, project manager, project engineer, project control manager. Lead planning engineer, SR, planning engineer, welding engineer, Ka, QC manager mechanical, Ka, QC engineer A&I, cost control engineer, QC inspector in coating, QC inspector civil, HSE manager, HSE engineer, HSE officer, road safety coordinator, construction manager, construction superintendent, pipeline engineer, interface coordinator, plant and equipment engineer, oil and gas project, recruitment to Abu Dhabi. CV shortlisting in progress at Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. Hello friends, vacancy hai. Oil and gas shutdown and long-term project, hiring for Saudi Arabia. Senior mechanical engineer, mechanical in charge, mechanical superintendent, mechanical site engineer, senior planning engineer, safety officer, PCS, process control safety automation technicians, coating engineer, coating supervisor, bolting supervisor, stockkeeper, material coordinator, valve technician, HVAC technician, rigging supervisor, foreman. Candidates must have 5+ years in GCC, shutdown, turnaround oil and gas maintenance experience. Hello friends, vacancy hai. Welder job vacancy in Russia, walk-in interview. Walk-in interview on the 2nd of July 2024 at Mumbai. Position, TIG and arc welders, SS, 1500 USD. TIG and arc welders, CS, 4 United States dollars per hour. Welder job vacancy in Russia, walk-in interview.